W with MRMIKE.
Hey everybody, it's Mr. Mike. Today we are going to draw a taco. Now to draw this taco, we only need 4 basic lines and shapes. An arc, a circle, a line, and a U. Are you ready to see how this all fits together? Then let's draw a taco. All right, let's start off with an arc that's gonna go right about here. And this is gonna be the main part of the taco shell. Ready? We're gonna start here and go all the way over to here and stop. And now we're going to draw another arc that's gonna go around like this. So let's extend this arc just a little bit. Now we'll start here, and we're going to bring this arc around like this, just like that. Okay? And now we're going to draw a line that goes from here all the way over to here. Ready? Go, 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 and stop. And there is the bottom of our taco. Now we're going to have some stuff inside our taco. And, you know, that could be whatever you want to put inside your taco. And this doesn't have to be exact. It could be all sorts of lines and shapes that make this stuffing inside the taco. So I'm going to make it so it looks like either it could be beans or maybe some ground beef. So I'm going to use arcs. Arcs will go right here, here, and then we're going to make some U shapes. So we'll use an upside down U, and we're going to have it go like this. And this could be the lettuce. And joining these U's together, we might make some more of those right here. And we're trying to make it look like there's a bunch of lettuce, maybe some U's over here. And then we can have some arcs like that. Beans or the ground beef are coming out the other side. And then we're just going to take some arcs and make it look like this and join it by a line at the top. So we can have arcs, arc, arc, joined by a line. And this can be the cheese at the top. Arc, arc, line, arc, arc, line. And then maybe one going this way, line. And then maybe another one over here, arc, arc, line. Now if you need to stop this video at any point to catch up, just pause it, then catch up, and then join back with us, okay? Now to finish this taco shell off, we're gonna add more arcs on this side. So now we're gonna make it look like it's going behind all of the beans, lettuce, and cheese, or ground beef, okay? Or it could even be chicken. So now we're going to add an arc here, and then another one. We're going to make it look like this is going all the way through, maybe a little line there, and an arc, and this is going behind the taco shell, or behind the stuff inside the taco. Okay, now we're going to add another arc, just like this, to make it look like the taco shell. It has some thickness to it, because it's not just a super thin taco shell, maybe it's a thick taco shell. And we're going to do the same thing in the front. We're going to have this arc come around like this and stop, and then we're going to go have an arc come the other way. And what I want you to do is, as you get to the top of the arc, I want you to join it right like that. Okay, so now this looks like we've got a taco shell with taco stuffings in it. Oh my goodness. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to create the face, the cute little face that we saw before. And by doing that, we're going to add an arc, and then another arc. Those are the closed eyes, because this taco is so happy. And then we're going to make another arc the opposite way right beneath it. So it's a smiling taco. Now we're going to open the taco's imaginary mouth. We'll add another arc right here, and we can color that in. And speaking of coloring, what color are you going to make your taco? I'm going to color my taco, and I'm going to show you what color my taco is at the end of this episode. And if you want to color your taco the same way, you can pause the video at the end and match the colors that I made. Or you can make up your own colors. It's your taco. So to finish this off, all we have to do is add some circles, just to make it look like there's some texture on that taco. So we just add some circles. They kind of look like the taco has freckles. That's so silly. Tacos don't have freckles, Mr. Mike. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm going to add a thick black outline just around here and then around the bottom, just to finish this off. You don't have to add a thick black outline if you don't want to. I'm just tracing the outside of the taco. Sometimes I add a thick black line and sometimes I don't. It is up to you. You are the artist of your drawing. Okay, and then bring this here. And look at that. We made a happy taco, everybody! Great job! Now, if you enjoyed this drawing video, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more drawing fun. And also, make sure to keep watching, because I'm going to show you what my colored taco looks like. I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody!
Let's draw with Mr. Mike.
For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. DRAW with MRMIKE.